whenever we're gonna go ahead and start talking about doing curls, here is what we wanna watch out. Number one is check out the framing of the client's hair, the face. So what happened is, whenever we're doing a curl this way, we want to make sure to curl the hair away from the face toward this way. And we're gonna go ahead and curl away to this side of the face. We wanna go ahead and go like this. More like vertically to a little bit diagonally. And what we're going to do, we're going to do 2 complete turns, just like that. We're gonna go ahead and slide it all the way down, process it a little bit slow, and as we do that, we'll be able to get more of a looser wave. Pay attention that I started the curl exactly where the eyebrow end. Now, on the other side, what I will do, I'm gonna go ahead and get this hair right here. Again, where the eyebrow end, I'm gonna start from right about here, and now I'm gonna go ahead and process it to the other direction. And again, we're gonna go all the way down, a little bit slower, very, very important. Continue maintaining the angle of the iron more as a vertically to diagonally angle to create more of a looser wave right here. If we want to do another curl right next to it, instead of doing a curl to this direction, what we're going to do, we're going to do the same curl and we're going to use the same elevation more or less. Now we're going to do a little bit more diagonally. We're going to go ahead all the way down, and then we're going to be able to create another curl. Now we did it to the opposite direction. Why do I like to do it to the opposite direction? Because if I would do and process both of them to the same direction, what will happen, both curls can connect together. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I mean when I'm saying both curls can connect together. So let's say if I'm gonna go ahead and do another curl to this direction right here, watch what is going to happen. As I do this, and say your clients or yourself, maybe you're doing the curls to yourself, as your client or yourself are gonna go ahead and do your own curl, or you're gonna do it to your clients, what is going to happen is both curls have the tendency of connecting together. So again, if I did one curl to this way, the next curl right next to it, I'm gonna go ahead and do it to the opposite direction. Now we're gonna go ahead and go away from the face. Always make sure to process the ends very, very good, because when we do processing the ends, we're gonna go ahead and get really, really nice. But again, when we were doing that, we're losing about half of the hair length of the hair. Watch the difference between almost half of the hair length right here to the first curl that we were able to maintain that hair length. I'm gonna go ahead and finalize the rest of the hair curl right now, so we're gonna show you guys the end results. There are 2 products that I recommend to use after curls or after you finish any type of style. Number 1, we can go ahead and use our hair oil, which is our hair serum drops by Cliove. This is an amazing and phenomenal product. What I like about this hair serum, the hair oil, that is not so light. It's actually have a very nice and a thick texture. You do that. If the serum is very light, then the serum starts spelling, and with this one, it's not gonna be the case. So it's really, really nice. The smell is phenomenal, phenomenal. And the way we wanna go ahead and apply it, we're gonna go ahead and distribute it all over our palms, just like this. And because we did the curls, what we want to do, we want to crunch the hair, squish or crunch the hair, just like this. We're gonna hold it, we're gonna go from the bottom, hold it, just like that. Go from right here, hold it right here. And then I would also recommend to put a little bit on the top right here. Or you guys can go ahead and use a hairspray which just has a medium hold. Very important is we apply the hairspray, don't apply it from so close by. You want to take about, I want to say, a foot away from the hair and simply apply it just like that. And as you apply it, continue crunching the hair just like that. Again, cover the client's face. Make sure you don't put hairspray on her face. Continue right here. Why? So you're gonna go ahead and have a really, really nice distribution on her hair, and we got these beautiful results.